Hello everyone, welcome to Palmistry and Face Reading channel. Now in this video we shall see about some auxiliary lines. Till now we have seen all about major lines. These auxiliary lines are health line and also Mercury line, Griddle of Venus, Ring of Solomon, bracelets, marriage lines, relationship lines, Ring of Saturn, Ring of Solomon, intuition line, children lines, etc. Let us see one by one. Today we shall focus on health line. This health line tells about the health. This line starts from the Mercury Mount and ends at lifeline. It moves like diagonally on the palm. If this line is present, then it should be clearly formed. Then there will be not any major health problems. If this line is not clear, breaks observed, then they have digestive related health problems. If this line is not there, then it is very good, no major health problems. If this line starts from line of heart and reaches to Venus Mount, cutting lifeline, then that person has blood circulation related problems, weak heart related problems. These people should be careful related to heart problems. When this line is twisted and irregular, such person has liver problems. Such people should take care of their liver. They should follow good food habits, lifestyle. Damaging to liver should not follow. If there are islands on the health line, then this person may have chance of lungs and chest problems. They should follow the lifestyle which does not damage the lungs and chest. When this line is thick and broad, cutting heart line and head line, such people has mental disturbance. Their mind is not constant. They should be take care of their minds following the like yoga, mind exercises, etc. Along with these lines, other major lines also tells about some defects regarding the health issues. Friends, if you see any such defective lines, just follow the precautions with dedication and you can reduce the health problems effects in your life. And one more thing, by strong dedication and willpower, you can reduce the effect of bad lines and chance of changes in lines also possible. So please don't be disappointed by negatives. We have to see them as warning symbols and we should be alert and take necessary steps. Some of the major lines also will tell about health. They are, if the dots on lifeline, then they have weak digestive system. If the lifeline is highlands, then they have nervous system problems. If there is a star on Saturn mount separately not touching to fate line, then such a person will suffer from paralysis. If the headline has island, then such person suffer from head related health problems like migraine, vertigo, neck problem, etc. Break or star indicates on headline is injury on the head. If the heart line has island, then such person suffers problems related to heart. Heartline should be clear. If heartline, headline, lifeline, healthline should be clear and free from defects, then they enjoy good health throughout their life. Such people are very few percentage and they are very lucky related to health. And that's why our ancestors tells about health is wealth. Okay friends, hope you understand regarding this. In future I will explain again. Please take care of health as per your weakness in your lines and escape from the bad health and live a healthy life. Please subscribe and share the video if you like it. And want to contact me, contact through Telegram group link given in the description. Friends, palmistry is such a useful science. Please try to learn. It will be useful to you in many ways and understands about you. With my 22 years experience, I am telling. Thank you.